Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about how Sandmeyer reaction takes place. How Sandmeyer reaction takes place. This reaction is taken from this topic is from Organic Chemistry grade 12. Organic Chemistry, second year Organic Chemistry grade 12. In the Sandmeyer reaction is used to prepare haloarenes or haloarenes. The halobenzenes or haloarenes are prepared is taken from primary amine, primary aromatic amine, that is called the name as aniline. Benzene ring contains NH2 group. This is called the name as aniline or primary aromatic amine. The primary aromatic amine, that is aniline, undergo diazotization. That means the reagents are NaNO2 and HCl to produces benzene diazonium chloride. How benzene diazonium chloride will be formed? That means the aniline reacting with NaNO2, sodium nitrous oxide and HCl. It can be the Cl and sodium atom minus NaCl will be removed, and another these two hydrogens and oxygen removed in the form of water molecule, and remaining one chlorine atom is there and one nitrogen atom is there, two nitrogen atoms are there. Remaining two nitrogen atom and one chlorine atoms are attached to benzene ring or attached to benzene ring. How happened the reaction? That is the aniline undergo diazotization. The reagents are sodium nitrous acid and HCl to remove NaCl and water molecule. How NaCl will be removed and water molecule will be removed? That is, in this sodium atom, in this chlorine atom will be removed, sodium chloride will be removed, and two hydrogens and oxygen in the form of water molecule will be removed. NaCl and NaH2O is removed, and remaining nitrogen atom, in this nitrogen atom, in this chlorine atom is in the form of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. Diazo means N2. Diazo means N2. Benzene ring. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride will be reacting with cuprous chloride and HCl to form chlorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride reacting with CuCl and HCl, and benzene diazonium chloride will be reacting with CuCl and HBr to form a bromobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride will be reacting with potassium iodide to produce iodobenzene and KCl. That is, benzene diazonium chloride reacting with cuprous chloride and HCl. In this, chlorine atom is attached to benzene atom, and this N2 will be removed. So the chlorine atom is attached to benzene ring. Similarly, CuCl and HBr can be reacting with benzene diazonium chloride to form bromobenzene. This nitrogen diazonium will be removed in the form of nitrogen and HCl. And remaining potassium iodide, the iodobenzene will be formed. That is, the benzene diazonium chloride will be reacting with potassium iodide to produce a iodobenzene and N2 and KCl. This is called the Sandmeyer reaction. In this Sandmeyer reaction, this is the important named reaction. In Sandmeyer reaction, the first one is the aniline, that is primary amine, primary aromatic amine. Primary aromatic amine will be reacting with sodium nitrous oxide and HCl to produce a benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride reacting with CuCl and HCl. Mainly Sandmeyer reaction can be taken to prepare haloarenes. Mainly this reaction is important to prepare haloarenes. Benzene diazonium chloride reacting with CuCl and HCl to produce chlorobenzene, and benzene diazonium chloride reacting with CuCl and HBr to produce a bromobenzene, and benzene diazonium chloride reacting with potassium iodide to produce a iodobenzene. This is the Sandmeyer reaction. Thank you. Please subscribe and share your friends. Thank you so much.